Hey, just wanted to walk you through this tax prep snapshot. So there's going to be three main parts. There's going to be the funnel, there's going to be the automations, and the custom values. I'll start with the custom values here. So you can see there's only 9, and I kept things super simple. See, my business is called Simple Site. I try to build the 20% of everything that causes 80% of the results to keep things simple for you, for your clients, so that you can drive results instead of get caught up in all the different features. Later on you can add features, but I like you to get wins right out of the gate. So here we have the name of whatever the service or offer is, any discount amount. This is built on a direct marketing funnel offering a discount to the local market, the name of the local market, the business's logo. This is your agency information here. So for the tax prep agent or tax prep business you'll be running the funnel for, or the snapshot for, this is your information that you're going to be using to deliver the leads. Once you get the funnel set up, this is where you're going to put the link for the calendar link. So we're going to put the link for the landing page with the opt-in form, and then your tracking phone number here. This is used throughout the automations. So whether it's Twilio, Lead Connector, CallRail, Grasshopper, Google Voice, whatever your tracking number is, put it right here. Okay, so those are the custom values, and you'll see here that these custom values are what are used to fill in all the information on the actual snapshot. Save $100 off on our best-selling amazing tax preparation services. Obviously, you can change the wording around. This is built to work right out of the gate, but you still want to customize it. You want to change the background image in the funnel builder to an actual image of the tax prep agency. You're going to want to get an actual testimonial of one of their customers here, copy and paste it along with a relevant picture. And then you're going to go to Google Maps and you're going to take a screenshot of whatever their local market is. Collecting name, email, phone number. So you're going to want to make sure your A2P is all set up. Excuse me. Oh, I'm sorry. After filling out the form, they're taken to this page, which gives them a chance to book now for a stress-free tax prep service. To make sure that they're one of the 37 that's able to get $100 off, you go ahead. This blah 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 blah. This is the form here. That's for name, email, phone number. This is sticky contact too, so this will auto be filled in. After they fill that out, appointment confirmed, their appointment information will be right up top. And then you're going to want to replace this with an actual image of the actual business. And then this is going to be the location. So we've got the custom values, we went through the funnel, and here are the automations. You can see everything is organized, so even if you have another snapshot already loaded, you'll know exactly which custom values and exactly which automations are attributed to this particular snapshot. We have a beefed up appointment confirmation reminder, auto missed call text back, the new lead notifications, instant notifications going to the business, as well as text and email follow-ups going out to the lead. Birthday templates, offering a discount for the birthdays, for referrals, things like that. You can have it to where for their birthday you give them a gift card if they reply. It's a pretty cool little automation. Database reactivation. So this is one that's set to go out to all of the existing and past clients, things like that. Follow up for if you didn't close the sale. Remove from workflows if they cancel the appointment. No-show reactivation. Review requests after a job well done. And a direct connection to the Google My Business profile. So this snapshot is solid. It's built off of a proven template that is high converting. It works really well with any locally owned business, and it works right out of the box. You can have this set up in about 20 minutes for your client.